A pullback of 2.5% in Cardano is forecasted for tomorrow, per digital coin price. But before we move on, here's what's going on right now. According to the latest numbers, Cardano is up 0.7% today and is holding around $0.2522. Let's see what the analysts predict today. Digital coin prices forecast puts the price at $0.2459 tomorrow, about 2.5% below now. CoinDataFlow expects Cardano could move down towards $0.2471, roughly 2% lower. According to CoinLore, it might be heading lower towards $0.2489, a decline estimated at 1.3%. A different forecast by CoinCodex expects Cardano might head higher to $0.2529, a potential gain of 0.3%. And in closing, Crypto Predictions expects $0.2601 by tomorrow, representing a gain of 3.2%. This forecast has the highest return potential. Those are the expert forecasts. Let's turn the page. Forecasts are in. Time to check the projected figures. According to the full set of predictions provided, the expected movement is somewhere between a decline of 2.5% and an increase of 3.2%, depending on the analyst. It appears Crypto Predictions ends up with the highest projected return with 3.2% increase in value by May 20. So it turns out you could make between $3 and $32 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probabilities, CoinCodex's forecast stands above the rest, showing a 87.6% chance of success. By pulling the forecasts together, I've set out a consensus scenario. The consensus scenario places Cardano at roughly $0.251. Let's break it down. Consensus modeling shows the price trending down by 0.4%. Put another way, your capital may also advance by 0.4% in line with that forecast. On 1,000, this projection could equal a potential gain of $4. The probability tied to the consensus projection working out is roughly 87%. To add context, let's check how analysts view the 3-day direction. Digital coin price forecasts Cardano moving lower. For the next few days, CoinDataFlow expects Cardano to strengthen. CoinLore expects the chart to tilt downward. The expectation from CoinCodex is for Cardano to trade sideways, lacking clear momentum. Crypto Predictions anticipates the price heading north. The consensus brings analyst forecasts together and points to Cardano moving higher over the next 3 days. Overall, 60% of forecasts highlight a higher path for Cardano. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts targeted tomorrow. That tomorrow is already gone, so let's review them. At the close, the price stood at $0.2517. The result showed that the majority of predictions matched reality. On the accuracy side, Gov Capital Collector had the leading forecast. Now let's structure the results. 2 forecasts stayed in yesterday's trading range. Looking at ROI, several forecasts delivered gains, and coin price forecast came out on top with 2%. Here's the full overview with every analyst's performance side by side. In the data, CoinLore shows 82.4% forecast probability and minus 1.3% ROI. Try to spot whose forecast turned out the most precise. Let's move on and see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow line up between Cardano and others. Cardano isn't on top this time as Toncoin leads with 6.7%. For now, this table shows 5 assets, and a fuller comparison across many cryptocurrencies is already on my website. If you didn't have to dig through dozens of forecasts thanks to this video, hit like, it really helps. See you in the next analyst check.